Hello everyone, I am Walt and welcome to part 22 of the Happiness Hack series, 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. So 22 parts in, what are we going to be discussing this time? Yeah, that's a good question. What are we looking at, part 22? This one is to read a book you love. So one of my favorite books to read is Think and Grow Rich. It's just, such a great book. I think that it really nails the everything that's really key to you know, being happier, to having more success. And I mean, sometimes in our culture, success and happiness are really linked together. So I would say that that's something that can be kind of difficult. But anyway, like if you guys want to buy Think and Grow Rich, I'll stick a link in the description to save you some time searching up for a good copy. I know a good, cheap kind of one, so check that out if you want to buy the book. Otherwise, I would say that really I pick up Think and Grow Rich a lot of the time. I'm not a if you look at like a book that if you want a book that kind of takes almost like a kind of a Christian perspective on self-help, but doesn't do it in a way that pitches Christianity. It just kind of references the Old and the New Testament over and over again. There's a good one on The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Scovel Shinn. I guess I'll give you guys a link to that one as well. That one's a good one that I like, is a good book. But I mean, you really don't need a book that's, always going to be like something that you've always read before. If you can find something that you really like, that you think is really good material, then definitely just go back to that. I mean, if there's any book that you find that is really just not only inspiring, but makes you feel good, makes you feel happy. I mean, if you just love this adventure, it doesn't have to be self-help, it doesn't have to inspire you, it doesn't have to do like this success thing. It just needs to make you happy. It needs to be fun. It can even be like a children's book from your childhood, anything like that. Even if I think our society looks down on adults doing some play stuff or reading our children's books and stuff, but when you do that, it can be a ton of fun, and I'd recommend trying that out. Anyway, if you want some of my favorite books, definitely check out those links, support the channel and whatnot. But otherwise, really, you can just find any book that you want, and this kind of works well for you. I mean, that's just going to be something that's going to hack your brain, that's going to take you back to memories of being happier and to feeling good, and you'll be like, yeah, and you're going to feel a little bit happier. So if you can just look at that kind of book on a daily basis, just read any part of it, and feel like, yeah, I like this, then that really can make you happier. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time with the next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.